depression is killing you and you want to get rid from it. For that, you must have to understand about the what depression is. Nowadays, allopaths just think about that the depression is just because of due to the stress. But in homeopathy, Master Hahnemann understood it properly. What actually the depression is. So there are two stages of depression. So stage 1, that you are going to land in depression very soon. So it is just understanding of Master Hahnemann is that it is latent sora. In that stage, it is very easily we can manage the depression by right kind of counseling. Here we have expert in our clinics. Second important thing is the right kind of meditation. So there are various kinds of meditation techniques available in the world. But the only correct and useful meditation technique for depression that you will get relief from that depression is the Vipassana. That Buddha have discovered it. For that, you must have to enroll for the Vipassana centers. And stage 2, where you actually landed into the depression. But again, this is the first stage. And we have a correct interpretation of depression. It is a secondary sura. So most of the therapists thought about that. It is only because of due to the stress. Nowadays, everybody is into the stress, but people are not landed into the depression. So only those people are getting into the depression because of they have landed into the secondary sora. So for that, these are just exciting factor, that is unhappiness, peer pressure, pressure of getting success, food stress, sleep stress. So a lot of kinds of stress. These are just exciting factors. And if you want to get rid from that, in homeopathy, there are specific kind of set of remedies to get very quick result in early stage. And somehow some patients may landed into the chronic stage. Yes, we have another chronic remedies too. But the rule is that if you have a lot of years with the allopathic mode of treatment, antipsychotic drugs, antidepressants, mood stabilizers for longer duration, any homeopath can't able to treat the depression. And in homeopathy, most of the homeopaths are not using a Hahnemannian technique to manage that depression. They are just finding out the superficial means, unscientific things, that is the nature of the patient and all these things. But to treat that depression, we must have to understood about the correct therapeutic method of Master Hahnemann, that I call it as a genuine practical homeopathy. And if you want to master in treating that kind of things, you must have to expert into the genuine practical homeopathy or Hahnemannian therapeutic method. So if you want to learn that things, download our GPH app, where you will get our free content to understand about the GPH. So you will get a lot of content, a lot of courses there if you want to become a successful homeopathic practitioner. So enroll for a GPH Advanced course and you will get a lot of material here. And if you want to treat depression successfully, use these techniques. Thank you.